Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to crochet this short jacket for 1 year baby girl. Full frock tutorial will also be available on my channel. Links will be available in the description box for full set. I am using these two 3-ply yarns for this project. A tapestry needle, 5 mm steel crochet hook, a cutter, buttons and a bead for flower. So first of all, make a slip knot. Then with the help of crochet hook, start making chains. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. In this way, make 119 chains. This is the sketch I have drawn for this closed baby frock yoke, but in open jacket 3 chains will be counted as a double crochet stitch, so we would make 119 chains. We would start from this side and we would make 16 stitches including 3 chains, then 26, 32, 26 and then another 16. Now make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into the 4th chain from the hook and then draw a loop. We have 3 loops. Pull the yarn through 2 first and then through other 2 to make a double crochet stitch. Then go into the next chain, make a double crochet stitch in it. Then go into the 3rd chain, make a double crochet stitch in it. Then into the 4th one, make a double crochet stitch. Then into the 5th one, make 1 double crochet. In this way, complete 16 double crochet stitches including first 3 chains. So I have made 15 double crochet plus chain 3, total of 16. Now in the next chain we would make a corner stitch, so make double crochet 1, chain 1 and into the same chain make double crochet 1 like this. Now we would start from the next chain, make double crochet into it, then into the next one make 1 double crochet, then into the next one make 1 double crochet, and in this way we would complete this side 26 stitches. This side 16 stitches are completed. Now we would make 26 stitches. After 26 double crochet stitches, the next chain is again our corner chain. In this chain we would make double crochet, chain 1 and a double crochet. Now from the next chain we would start making double crochet stitches in each of the chain next, and we would complete this side 32 double crochet stitches. So I have completed 32 stitches. Again we would make our 3rd corner in the next chain, so make double crochet, then chain 1 and a double crochet in this chain. Now start making double crochets from the next chain, and now we would make third side and we would make 26 double crochet stitches. So I have completed 26 double crochet stitches. After these 26 double crochet stitches, in the next chain we would make our last corner. So make double crochet, chain 1 and a double crochet into it, and then complete other 16 double crochet stitches in the next chains. First row of our square yoke is ready. This is a kind of rectangle yoke. Now make 3 chains for the next row. Skip 1 double crochet stitch, go into the second one and make a double crochet in it. This is to get a perfect even edging from this side. Now go into the third double crochet stitch, make a double crochet in it, then into the next one make a double crochet, then into the next one make the double crochet, and in this way make double crochet in each of the next stitches till chain 1 space. You can see here is the chain 1 space, which is our corner. Make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, then chain 1, again into the same chain 1 space, double crochet 1, and then double crochet 2 for the corner. Now from the very next double crochet stitch after chain 1, they would start making double crochets in each of the next stitch. Here is the next chain 1 space. In this chain 1 space make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, chain 1, double crochet 1, and then double crochet 2, and then start making simple double crochet stitches from the next stitches. If you find this video too fast, you can also see the baby frog yoke, which is more in detail than this video, because these two are similar, but this one is front open and frog yoke was made in rounds. Now make 2 double crochet, 2 chain and 2 double crochet in these 2 chain 1 spaces of corners, and make 1 double crochet in each of the next stitch. So I have made double crochet stitches in all stitches, and our last stitch will be made in the chain 3, and then we would change the color. Because 3 chain is counted as a double crochet stitch, so we would make our last double crochet stitch in the third turning chain right here. So make a double crochet stitch into it, and then we would change the color. Join this yarn, make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet. Turn up the work, skip 1 double crochet stitch, go into the second one to get even edging and make a double crochet stitch in it. Then make a double crochet into the next double crochet stitch, then into the next one, and then into the next one, and go on. Cut the white yarn strand with the help of cutter. Now make a knot of these two yarn strands. And then complete these double crochet stitches till chain 1 space. And in this chain 1 space, as we have done in the second round, we would make 2 double crochet stitches, 1, 2, then chain 1, again 2 double crochet stitches, 1 and then 2. And then we would start making simple regular double crochet stitches in each of the next stitch till the chain 1 space of our corner. We would make 2 rounds with this color, and then we would use white color yarn again to make a few rounds till the required size of yoke. So yoke part is finished. Total of 7 rows are made. Now make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4, which will be counted as a treble crochet or a triple crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn around the crochet hook twice, skip 1 double crochet stitch, go into the second one and then draw a loop. Pull the yarn through 2 loops first, then through other 2, and in the last through other 2. This is our triple crochet stitch. Now make a triple crochet stitch into the next double crochet, then make a triple crochet stitch into the next double crochet stitch, then into the next one make a triple crochet. In this way make triple crochet in every double crochet stitch till chain 1 space of corner. You can see here chain 1 space of corner, make a triple crochet stitch in it, then we would work into the next chain 1 space to make a armhole. So now make a triple crochet stitch in this next chain 1 space of our corner, and this is our armhole. Now we would start making triple crochet stitches from very next double crochet stitch after chain 1 space. Make triple crochet in every double crochet stitch, then in this chain 1 space and then in the other chain 1 space, and then complete stitches. So I have completed my stitches. Last treble crochet stitch will be made in chain 3. So in third turning chain make a treble crochet stitch, now make chain 1, turn up the work and we would make a shell stitch. So this one is not counted as anything. 1, 2 and then 3, skip 3 double crochet stitches, total of 4 including first one, and then into the fifth one we would make a shell stitch by making double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, double crochet 7, double crochet 8, double crochet 9, and then we would skip 3 double crochet stitches, and into the fourth one right here we would make a single crochet. So this is our shell stitch of 9 double crochet. Now again skip 3 double crochet stitches, go into the fourth one to make a shell stitch and make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, double crochet 7, double crochet 8, and then last one double crochet 9. Then again we would skip 3 double crochet stitches and we would make a single crochet into the next double crochet stitch. So we would complete making this shell stitch row till the end. In the last we would make a single crochet in the fourth turning chain. Now we would start working from the middle of this shell stitch. So make a slip stitch into the first double crochet stitch, then into the second one, then into the third one, into the fourth one, and fifth stitch is our middle stitch in these 9 stitches. So make a slip stitch into the fifth stitch, make chain 1, then make a single crochet in this fifth double crochet stitch. Now we would make a V stitch between the single crochet stitches. Make double crochet 1 in this single crochet between shells, make 5 chains, make a double crochet in this single crochet stitch, one, 2, 3, 4, and this is our fifth double crochet stitch. Make a single crochet in it like this. Now we would make a single crochet V stitch in this single crochet stitch after shell. So make double crochet 1, then chain 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, and make a double crochet in the same single crochet stitch again. Again count the stitches 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, and in this middle stitch of shell make a single crochet, which is fifth stitch. Again into the next single crochet stitch after shell, make double crochet, 5 chains, and then a double crochet in the same single crochet stitch. So repeat this process of making V stitches with 5 chains and a single crochet in the middle stitch till the end. So I have completed this round. Now make chain 1 and we would start working in this chain 5 space of V stitch. Make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9. After making 9 double crochet stitches, now we would make a single crochet in the next single crochet stitch at the top of shell. Now we would start working into the next chain 5 space of V stitch. Make double crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9, and then make a single crochet after making this shell into the single crochet stitch at the top of shell which we have made in the middle stitch. So with this same process we would make V stitch round, next V stitch row, and then a shell stitch row again. So I have made a V stitch row. Now we would start making single crochet on this side, because on this side we would make buttonholes. So first of all, make a slip stitch, into the next double crochet stitch of shell, then into the second make a slip stitch, then into the third stitch make a slip stitch, then into the fourth one make a slip stitch, then into the next single crochet stitch make a slip stitch, then we would make slip stitches in each of the next 5 stitches of these shell, and from here make a slip stitch into the chain 1 space which we have made to start this shell. Now make a single crochet, and we would make single crochet on the side of this treble crochet stitch. Now make single crochet 2 and then single crochet 3 on the side of this treble crochet stitch. Now here is our double crochet. Make single crochet 1 and then single crochet 2 into it. Go into the second side of double crochet stitch and make 2 single crochet stitches in it. Then into the next one make 2 single crochet stitches. In each row side double crochet stitches we would make two single crochet stitches in each. Weave these yarn strands inside this work also. Now cut all these yarn strands and make last single crochet stitch into the first chain of chain 3. Now make chain 1, turn up the work, make a single crochet from the very first single crochet stitch. In each of them we would make single crochet, and then we would make spaces for the buttons also. So make 2 chains here, and after skipping 2 single crochet stitches make a single crochet into the third stitch. You can see this hole is perfect for the button. Now in the next single crochet make a single crochet, then we would make the second buttonhole. First buttonhole is made in the second row, and now we would make it in the fourth row. So after these 2 single crochet stitches make 2 chains, skip 2 single crochet stitches into the third one, make a single crochet, then into the fourth one make a single crochet, and in this 6th row again we would make our buttonhole. So make 2 chains, skip 2 single crochet stitches, and from the third stitch make a single crochet, then into the next stitch make a single crochet, and from here we would make a single crochet in each of the stitch till the shell stitch, and from the shell stitch we would change the color because last shell would be made with peach color yarn again. So I am changing the color from here again. Make a slip knot of this yarn first and then join this yarn in the chain 1 space before this shell stitch. Cut this yarn and make a knot of these 2 yarn strands. Now we would make a shell stitch in this single crochet stitch at the top of first shell stitch. So make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, double crochet 7, double crochet 8, and then double crochet 9, and then we would make a single crochet in the single crochet stitch at the top of next shell stitch. Now in the next chain 5 space make double crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9. So make total of 9 single double crochet stitches, and then we would make a single crochet in the single crochet stitch at the top of this shell. So we would make shells in every chain 5 space. I have completed these shell stitches. Now make a single crochet at the top of this single crochet stitch, and then we would make a shell in the single crochet stitch at the top of shell stitch of first round. So we would start making single crochet in this single crochet stitch. So make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, then double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, double crochet 7, double crochet 8, and then double crochet 9. After that make a single crochet in the first double crochet stitch of shell. Then we would make 3 single crochet at the side of treble crochet stitch, then 2 single crochet on the side of double crochet stitch, completed till this corner. So I have completed this side single crochet stitches. Now at this corner chain make single crochet 1, and then single crochet 2 because this is corner. Now make single crochet in the next chain in which we have made double crochet stitches for the yoke. So in each of the chain or in each of the bottom of double crochet stitch, make single crochet in each of them till this side, and from here we would just make a simple single crochet stitch in this chain also, which is a corner chain. Then from the next chains we would start making single crochet stitches in each of them, and in this way we would complete our single crochet stitches all around this yoke till this side. And in this chain 2 space for buttonhole we would make 3 single crochet stitches in each. So I have finished single crochet border all around the yoke. Now we would make a slip stitch into the first loop of this yarn where we have started working and weave all these yarn ends. So I have woven all these yarn ends and our jacket is ready with 3 buttonholes. Now we would make our sleeve. We would start making sleeve from the back side of jacket and we would make shell stitches. So we would start working from the side of this treble crochet stitch row. So join this yarn, make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet. Then make a double crochet stitch into this treble crochet, then make chain 1, make a double crochet stitch into this treble crochet, now we would make a shell stitch on the other side of treble crochet stitch. So make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, chain 1, double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. Now skip this first double crochet stitch, go into the second one due to larger space of treble crochet and make 2 double crochet stitches, chain 1 and then 2 double crochet stitches into the same stitch. And now we would skip 3 double crochet stitches. So skip 1, 2 and then 3 double crochet stitches, go into the fourth one to make a shell stitch, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, chain 1, double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. Now again skip 3 stitches, go into the fourth one, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, then chain 1, double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the same stitch. So in this way skip 3 stitches, go into the fourth one and make a shell stitch of 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet till this side. So I have made all shell stitches. Now make a slip stitch into the third chain. We have to start working into the chain 1 space, so make a slip stitch into the next double crochet stitch also, then into the chain 1 space make a slip stitch. We would decrease stitches here, so make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3 then make one more chain and make a double crochet in this chain 1 space. This is our V stitch, just to decrease stitches. Now from next shell stitch, make double crochet, chain 1 and a double crochet also. So these two are our decreasing stitches. Now go into the next chain 1 space of shell, and from here we would make regular shell stitch of 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet as we have done in the previous round. So make shell stitches of 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet in every chain 1 space. And complete this round till this shell stitch. So I have completed shell stitches. Now in the end, make a slip stitch into the third chain of this V stitch, and now we would make a shell stitch in both of these V stitches. So make a slip stitch into the chain 1 space, make 3 chains and make a double crochet in this chain 1 space, then make chain 1, go into the next chain 1 space of V stitch and make 2 double crochet stitches in it. Now we would start working into the chain 1 space of next shell, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, chain 1, double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 like this, and we would complete this shell stitch in every chain 1 space of shell. Then in the end, make a slip stitch into the third chain, and now we have to start working into the chain 1 space of this shell which we have made in chain 1 spaces of V stitches, which are decreasing stitches. So make slip stitch in chain 1, make 3 chains and a double crochet into it, then chain 1 and 2 double crochet stitches into this chain 1 space of shell. So this is our decreasing pattern for the sleeve. Now we would start making simple shell stitch rounds for whole of the sleeve. So make 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet in every chain 1 space of shell and complete this round, and with the same process proceed the whole sleeve, and last round would be made with this peach color yarn, and make the other sleeve with the same pattern as well. So I have completed 19 rounds with white color, and the 20th round is made with peach color again, and I have even the yarn ends with the help of tapestry needle, and other sleeve is also made with 20 rounds with the same decreasing pattern. I have attached these buttons with the help of tapestry needle and a 2-layer flower with a bead in the center. This 2-layer flower tutorial video link will be available in the description box. So if you are interested in seeing the tutorial video, just check out the link in description box. And our jacket is ready. This jacket is for 1-year baby girl, and baby frock tutorial for 1-year baby girl is also available on my channel. This jacket will be used with baby frock, which I have shown you earlier in the yoke part of this video. Full tutorial video of this set will be available on my channel, so you can just check out the headband, cap, hat, belt, booties and summer sandal tutorial for 1-year baby girl of this whole set, and you will use this frock inside this jacket. So you can check out all set tutorial videos on my channel. So just stay connected and don't forget to subscribe to get the tutorial videos of other crochet projects also, and give this video a big thumbs up if you like. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.